Hello and welcome to my class. In this video, we shall be solving a problem I found that without using calculator or mathematical tables, simplify 3/4/9 divided by, in bracket, 5/1/3 minus 2/3/4 in close bracket plus 5/9/10. So let's get this problem solved. We shall be using the rule of BODMAS, okay? Bracket comes before division, multiplication, addition, and what? Subtraction. So we shall be using bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. We shall be using it to get this problem solved. So while we are getting this problem solved with the rule of BODMAS, please take note that we shall be using simplifications, that is converting all the mixed fractions to improper fractions along the way. So let's begin. So 3/4/9 to start with will be 9 times 3, 27 plus 4, giving you 31/9. And the next thing I'm going to do will be to go into the bracket and do same. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16, so this will be 16/3. Minus 4 times 2, 8 plus 3 is 11, so this will be 11/4. Okay? Now, coming out, I'm going to move over to 10 times 5, which is 50 plus 9, 59/10. And this will be equal to 31/9 divided by, the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 3 in 12 will give you 4. 4 times 16 will give you 64. Minus 4 in 12 will give you 3. 3 times 11 will give you 33. Then I would come over here and say 59 divided by 10. So we would continue with bringing this one down and attacking what is in the bracket. So in the bracket, we have 64 minus 33, that will be 31. And this will come down as 59/10. So please, at this point, we would go with using, now that we are done with the bracket, we would go with using division, which is this. Okay, so 31 divided by 9 divided by 31 divided by 12 is the same as 31/9 times 12/31, in which case you take the reciprocal, plus 59 divided by 10. Now, I'm not going to add this to this. If you do that, you'll be wrong. So rather, what I'm going to do will be to do this. That is, attack multiplication first. Multiplication comes before addition. So I'm going to use this. 31 cancels 31 to give us 1, 1. 3 in 9 will give us 3. 3 in 12 will give us 4. So this becomes 4 times 1, which is 4, all over 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 59/10. At this point, we can now take the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. So this will become 10 times 4, giving you 40. Because 3 in 30 is 10, and 10 times 4 will give you 40, of course. So 10 in 30 will give you 3, and 3 times 59 will give you 177. So adding that together will give us 217 all over 30, and 217 all over 30 put in mixed fraction will give us 7, because 30 will go into 217 7 times, leaving you with a remainder of 7 all over 30. So this simplifies the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video. Do well to follow me on Facebook, John Usen, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, GER Hub, on YouTube. Until some other time, stay blessed.